got my RPM working. Who knew that 828 EST spout output mean tachometer? I had no freaking idea. So I just took that blue wire, cut it, put it to the tach. So now my tach work, my air shifter will work. We're in business. Yes, sir. And that blue wire, you know, when you go plug on column plug and you go, you know, multi-spark, well, it comes here, the blue wire, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is blank here, so it was going nowhere. So there you go. Other people who wonder